Alright, this might be our final update with our drain spinner. Who knows, maybe the next thing is we're just going to list it for sale now that it's somewhat completed. $14.99 plus tax. We got ourselves a NOS Leviton 15 amp GFCI, just like what was on there over there in that crap pile. Mexico. So it works. Problem was this one had weird 3-prong locking connectors on it, so I just swapped it. Put a regular one, put it over here because it wasn't like that. I swapped this one for that one. Now I have locking like 120 or slash like 220 connectors. These are worth probably like at least like 10 bucks a piece right here. So it was a pretty good deal to get the whole thing and you get the connectors as well. But yeah, that's just gonna stay like that. And then I have a weird inline thing, but that stays locked. And it runs. It still needs a paint job on the frame, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. Rust repair. Oh, there we go again.